How you guys doing? Got another 590 video here. Dyed the saw black. Installed the Gearhead Performance deflector. There's the stock one. I tried to install the jet but couldn't remove the old one, so I didn't want to damage it. There's the new jet. So maybe in the future I can get that installed. I'm running the Gearhead Performance O-ring kit that's installed in the saw. And the Gearhead Performance timing advance key broke, but not a big deal to me because I don't think you get a huge gain. These saws seem like they're already running a bit of timing. And I also ported the saw. The port numbers are about 105 on the exhaust, maybe a little bit more. Intake about 80. Really touch the transfers. Maybe in the future I'll raise them up to like 123 or something. Here's the saw running. Runs all right. Let's keep on cutting. Here's the stock deflector with just the holes drilled in it. Let's see how this sounds. This is the Gearhead Performance deflector. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining in. Hopefully you guys liked the video. There'll be more 590 stuff coming.